If you're having trouble logging into Descript, yeah, that can stop your work completely. In this video, I'll show you quick fixes to solve login problems. First, check your internet connection, because a weak or unstable connection can block login. Next, double-check your email and password. Even a small typo can cause login failure. Try resetting your password. Yeah, this is the fastest way to regain access if you forgot your login. Now clear your browser cache or try a different browser. Sometimes stored data can interfere with login. Make sure your account is active. Expired subscriptions or suspended accounts can block login. If you're using the app, update it, or try logging in from the desktop version of Descript, and that's it. These steps should fix most login issues in Descript. If this helped, like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.